And guys, change oil. 1GD engine Toyota Fortuner 1GD FTV. Oil filter na Vic ang gamit natin, 111 C111. Dito yan. Tamang higpit lang yan guys. Tapos higpitan ko ng konti ng tools. Ito, antight lang to. Yan. Hindi siya fully synthetic guys. Ito na kasi yung nakasanayan ng mayari guys. Maganda sana dito guys is fully synthetic talaga. Papalit din kami ng fuel filter. Kabit ko lang muna yung fuel filter. Ganito lang karami yung ilagay kong wheel guys. So nandito yung pinaka-top, so hanggang dito lang, pero mababawasan pa to kasi hindi pa pinandar yung makina, wala pang laman yung oil filter nya. So wag natin isagad, hanggang dito lang oh. Yan guys, check natin ulit. Kulang ng konti. Kailangan 6.9. .9 liters lang guys, hanggang dito lang kasi nasa mga 6.900 ml. Okay, ayun lang yung tama niya. That's it. Good morning everyone. Toyota Fortuner 1GD FTV engine, 6.9 liters engine oil capacity, and then yung oil filter niya is Vic C111, and that's it. Good morning everyone.